Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video we'll be discussing about out of stock notification from Magento 2. So this is a add-on using which customers can get notifications for the out of stock products when they come back in the stock. So this module is super useful when customer wants to get notified about the product availability. So let's get started with the video and see how this works and what are the features of this module. So firstly we have to go to the demo, and from here we have to log in into our front end and to our admin panel. So now we have logged in into our admin panel. So in our admin panel we have to go to stores and then configuration, and then in here admin will be able to see out of stock notification. So admin can manage all these options. Admin can choose to automatically notify the customers about the product availability by selecting auto option, or they can choose manual option for manually sending the notification emails to the customers who have requested for the out of stock product. After that there is an option for admin email ID. From here the admin has to provide the email ID which will be used to send the emails notification to the customers. After that admin has to provide their name, and then there is option for receive email on new request, and admin can select it as yes or no. So after filling in all the information, admin have to click on save, and then all the information will be saved. And also admin can manage the out of stock request by going to out of stock notification here and then clicking on see all requests. In here the admin will be able to see all the requests that have been made for the product availability. So coming to our front end, so this is the product that we are dealing with right now. So the product is sold out, or we can say out of stock. So we can enter our email ID here and click on notify me if we are guest customers, or if we have logged in into this panel, then our email ID will be automatically filled here. So now let's just log in here. And again, so as you can see right now we have logged in. So after logging in, your default email ID will be shown here like this. So, and for the guest customer the email ID will not be filled. So the registered customer can choose to change this email ID, and then they can enter in their current email ID or any other email ID that they want to get notified on, and then they have to click on notify me. So let's provide our email ID here and click on notify me. So after that the customer will be able to see this success message that is, thank you, we will notify you when the product will be in stock. So the customer have successfully entered their email ID, and then they will be notified when the product comes back in stock. So let's go back to our admin panel and let's refresh this page. So as you can see, the request that we have just made is now shown here. So the request is shown like this, and we can make the product back in stock by going to products and then catalog to see we'll receive the notification email or not. And remember that we have selected the auto setting, so as soon as the product comes back in stock we'll automatically receive an email notification without the need for the admin to manually go and notify the customer. So let's select the shirt that we are looking. So this is the shirt that we are looking right now. So in here, as you can see, the stock status is out of stock. So we can mark it as in stock, and then we have to click on save. Also, please check that you have enough quantities to mark the product in stock. And after that, let's just click on save. So you have successfully saved the product and made it in stock. We have received the email that the product black t-shirt has been arrived in stock now. So like this, the customers will be able to receive email notification for the products that are out of stock, and they have chosen to get notified for the product when they comes back in stock. So when we go to out of stock notification and click on see all request, we can see that the status for the request that we have made is now notified, as we have selected the auto email or auto notification for the customers. So admin don't have to choose to send notification to the customer manually. So this was all for out of stock notification for Magento 2. In case you have any queries or any doubts, please contact us at webcool.uvidesk.com, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.